I'm going to show you how to create a new Binance account. So first you want to open up your browser and head to binance.com. Now you want to click on the sign up button. And from here you should be able to enter manually an email address or phone number without your country code. Or you can use one of these options to sign up with, for example, Google, Apple, or Telegram. So for example, I'm going to manually type my email here. And then I'm going to click on the continue button and just confirm this check. Now they should send you a verification code to your email, so just open the email you've used earlier. Now once you enter the code, it should prompt you to create a new password for your account, so just simply type your password and then click on the continue button. And the sign up process is successful. Now just click on the next button. Now it should prompt you to download the app if you are on mobile, so just click on download app. Now once you download and open up the app, you want to simply type the email address or phone number you used to sign up, and then you want to type your password here, and then simply click on the continue button, and they should send you a code to your email that you've used to sign up with. Now once you enter the code, it should sign you into your account, and it should prompt you to verify your account if this is the first account that you had or created. And there's different options to verify: ID card, passport, or residence permit. Simply select the option, click on continue, and it should guide you through how to take pictures using your phone and taking a selfie and automatically uploading them for verification. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.